Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to do something repeating in code. So for this one, you can see what I put here. I put print, and I kind of made like a pattern here. Print, and I put all this stuff here, and I just it spit something out. But it says for I in range. In Python, you got to memorize this because you're gonna use it a lot for repeating stuff. So what this means is for I in range 4. And then enter space print, and you're going to put this whole thing. So in this arrangement in Python, I just means whatever you have down here. It doesn't mean nothing. It just means like a variable. You can put like x. It just means like x in math. For I in range, and it has 4, which means range just means however many times you want to do something. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it just spits this whole thing out 4 times. Then if you go down here, I did some other arrangement. I'm just trying to do like American flag. If you put these two together, it's American flag. So for I in range 4, so that just means I 4 times. And in this case, I is just this. Uh, and then if you go down here, I just made it a little bit harder. For I, let's see here. Yeah, I messed this up. I just put this colon here. And so for I in range 6, print I. So print I just means whatever is in this arrangement, whatever I means. So in this arrangement, you're just dealing with numbers here. Range is 6. So that means like it stops at 6 times. So in Python, you start at 0. So if you start at 0, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 6 things, 6 here. So for I in range, it just spits out all the way to 6. And then if you go down here, for I in range 4, which means in Python, you always start at 0. So it's just going to spit out 4 things like 0, 1, 2, 3. That's 4. And I have down here to make this is a little bit harder. Print I, and then directly below it, I put print. You can do it. And as you can see, these are like in the same code block, these two things right here. So it's going to link back to this range 4. So both of these are going to go 4 times. And in this case, I is numbers. And in this case, print you can do it. Obviously, that's just a phrase. It's going to just stay the same. So 0, you can do it. 1, you can do it. 2, you can do it. 3, you can do it. So I just goes 4 times, and this print just goes 4 times. And it one after another, just like that. So hopefully this is not too confusing. Just like in math, how they have all those symbols and how they have all those X's and stuff, it's just kind of confusing. But just know that you're going to see this over and over. It's just like you got to memorize something. You got to memorize. I is just a variable. It doesn't mean nothing. And for I in range, whatever the things in parentheses and colon. If you don't put the colon, it's going to scrap the whole thing. If you just put I in range, it's going to scrap the whole thing. So you just need to have like everything, just complete. So hopefully I help you out. Like and subscribe, and just leave a comment if you want to leave a comment. Thanks.